basic concept behind it. Well, I knew it was for Chappal. It was a beach brand, so it had to be fun, energetic, and I tried to give it a Bahama kind of vibe, a Caribbean kind of vibe.
I mean, we just had to get only 1 ton of sand as opposed to actually flying to the Bahamas. But if your producer is standing with a drink in their hand, it must be a party.
Relaxo Bahamas, keep chilling, keep flipping. He does a double take and then he comes back and he says,
Bahana nahi, sirf Bahamas. Sirf Bahamas. So we are in Bahamas right now. As you can see behind me, there's this turquoise blue water. The breeze is lovely. The sun is shining really nice and it's in wonderful weather right now. And just in case if you can see the green behind me, then I think something's wrong with you or the camera because we are in Bahamas.
Basically, if you wear the slipper, which is this beautiful Bahama, it's a new range of slippers from Relaxo. If you wear it, you will feel bliss. That is the concept.
तो प्रोडक्ट है हमारा चप्पल, यानी कि रिलैक्सो बहामास का चप्पल है. अब उसको हमने सिग्नेचर में लिया है. तो फुटवर्क हमने लिया है, पैर के एक फुटवर्क है जो बेसिकली हम हिट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि वो, और जब ऑब्वियसली जब सलमान सर उसको करेंगे तो हर कोई करेगा. पूरा गाना खत्म होने के बाद मुझे लगता है कि एड कम सॉन्ग होगा ये. 1 2 3 4
It looked like I was shooting for a song. The dance director, the choreographer, Mudassar Khan, he composed these really cool steps for Relaxo Bahamas ending, which we had a great time doing.
guys, let's shift to Bahamas. Relaxo Bahama!
I've been doing Relaxo for the last 3 years, and I love the team. The agency is really good. The campaigns have done really well. So they've gone larger with their brand.
People are going for colors these days. People are going informal. The Bahamas definitely suit the youth, and we have launched several styles. There are 30 to 40 styles coming up, and with the 3 colors each. So it's a great collection for this year, and every year we're going to add new and new styles in this.
The flip-flops are a lot more colorful. जो styles हैं इस बार I think they're a lot better than last year. They're nicer, cooler, funkier, chilling, tripping type ones. I've worn all of them. For the photo session I had to wear all of them. So I was like really impressed with the flip-flops they have this time.
Yeah, Bahamas, Relaxo Bahamas. Yeah, Bahamas, Baha, 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 Baha. Yeah, Bahamas.
Relaxo Bahamas, keep chilling, keep flipping.